The atomic mass of iron is 56 and its atomic number is 26. How many neutrons does an atom of iron have? 26, 28, 30, 32. So, ang sagot natin dito is 30. Alright? Sige. Balikan natin yung basics dito because alam ko na alam nyo na yung formula. Minamemorize nyo yung formula. Let's look at the structure. Okay? Structure muna tayo. Ito yung structure ng ating element. We have the letter, okay? And that is the symbol. Itong letter C na ito, obviously naman, this is carbon. The upper left portion, that is the mass number, and the lower left portion, that is the atomic number. Now, what is our mass number? Ano siyang composition niya? Mass number, anong equivalent niya? Number sa protons at saka yung kang neutrons. Alright? Ka-atomic number is just the number of protons. Now, looking back at the question, so we need to find the number of neutrons. So ano yung formula natin? Galing na dyan sa formula. Alam niyo na to. Atomic mass at saka atomic number. Ilan yung atomic mass? We have 56. Atomic number natin is 26. So, minus lang. We have 30. Okay?